Hello folks, my name is Thomas and welcome to my letter crafting channel. It's been a while since I created a new card holder design, so this video is going to be a tutorial for a new PDF template of this vertical card holder. Videos like that I made for every of my PDF templates, which you can find at my webshop handmade.com or at my Etsy store. It's quite a classic style vertical card holder, which I tried to make a bit different way. I already tested it and it seems to be working. I mean, this middle slot isn't stitched fully around, so it gives more convenient access to cash. In this design you can fit once folded US dollars, as well as a few cards in each side pocket. For sure you can go usual way and stitch it fully around, it will work as well. Before jumping into the crafting process, I want to mention that I made separate detailed videos for processes such as stitching, edge finishing, and etc. I will leave links in description. Also, you will find the links for the tools I'm using to make this card holder. With that being said, let's jump into the crafting process. you like my crafts and would like to have one of them, you can order it at my webshop strhandmade.com. Also there you can find PDF templates and make any of my designs by yourself. Your questions and critique are very welcome in the comment section. Any type of your support would be really appreciated. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!